Hi there. Do you have a leaky or damaged roof? Is it about that time to get that repair done for your home? Well, you've come to the right place. We are Valley Roofing, a family-owned roofing company in Connecticut, and we've been voted as the best roofers in Connecticut by our local loyal customers. We specialize in roof replacement, roof repair, and we give free inspections and much more. We are both certified and licensed. We promise the highest level of customer care and satisfaction. So, what are you waiting for? Call us today, 203-734-7258.